Yes, folks. So today in this video, we'll be trying to understand. Okay, so we'll just try to uh, write certain objectives, and we'll just explore that, right? So what I will do is basically I have created one folder into it, right? I will just demonstrate you like how to take long put forward into it, right? I already created, I don't want to waste the time here, right? So I will make more things towards like understanding particular case study here. Okay, I will just open my Jupyter notebook so that you will understand the particular part, right? So that is a main thing that we have to adapt it wisely, right? So this is a thing, right? So what I will do is I will just open my this data set so you will understand how the things is there actually here, right? So let's get started. So I have kept in desktop, right? You can keep it anywhere. Okay, it is a salary project, right? Yeah, this is a particular case study. So already explored the data set and how to do this actually, which I have done here actually, right? So if you want, let me know in the comment section, folks, if you want this notebook uh, in the description or not. Otherwise I will be not, you can just have a try it onto your own, right? So first thing, that is only for practice purpose, folks, right? So basically, this notebook main basic idea was about to create understanding, clear understanding how it is Pandas is helping it out. If you learn whole Pandas, it is not your in your hands, right? So first thing, what we will do, we have to use whenever we have to use certain library, we have to import it, right? So what we did, import pandas as pd here, right? Then it will get loaded that. So after that, we in our things salary data set is there, right? If you have not taken the salary data set, folks, you can just follow this link. Okay, otherwise you can I will just provide my github link as well, so you can just check it out there, right? So this is all about the things here. And another thing is, if you let's suppose, if you want to take check the head of the data frame, so what you will do, which this variable you have taken now, folks, you have to write that. Okay, don't take it. If you do like that, so it will not give it, you will be not getting retrieving the records. Let's suppose you have written here df, but you are writing here sal, right? So that time it will not able to retrieve it. Basically idea is to retrieve the top 5 records. Okay, top 5 records, you will be getting the 5 records actually, right? If you write it here 5 also, you will be getting the 5 itself, right? If you specify I want top 10 records, you can just write it 10. Okay, see here, you retrieved it 0 to 9. 0 to 9 is what, 10 records, right? So this is a way basically. So to get the information about the clear idea about the data set, so what you will be going to write is data frame. Here it is, the data frame is about what data frame it is. We are taken the variable here salary we have taken, so salary dot info method. Okay, if you don't know, you can just type check it, the info part, so you will get the what are the disk like documentation, what which I can say. Okay, so you will get that. So now I want to know that what is the average base pay, right? So how we can do it? Average is nothing but mean, right? So what you have to take? You have to take the particular column data frame and retrieve take the particular column dot mean. So you will get the average of the particular base pay, right? So you will be able to retrieve this particular thing. Okay, now what another thing is there actually here, highest amount of overtime pay in the data set, so maximum we want basically here. So what we'll be going to take it here, we'll be taking the data frame, we'll be retrieving the particular column dot max, right? So this was a basic things, right? As I know that it is pretty basic for you, right? So uh, so now another problem here, what they are talking about it here is basically what is the job title of Joseph Driscoll? Note, use all caps, otherwise you may get answer doesn't match up. There is also a lowercase Joseph Driscoll. Okay, we want to retrieve this particular employee, and what we want that particular record. What is there? Okay, what is the job title? Is there basically job title? Okay, so we want to understand that basically here. So what we did here, we taken to filtration, we have taken another variable called filter df. So sal, we want, we are comparing here, see, data frame specifically here, this salary of that particular employee name equal to this name, right? We are just comparing is there or not. Okay, to retrieve the job title, what we are doing, we are taking another variable job title, filter df of job title. Otherwise what you can do is, see here, you can, otherwise you can write it as here, instead of writing once again, what you can do is here, you can write the print statement basically here, right? You can write the print here, filter df. Okay, if you just do it, you'll get the answer here. Okay, got it, you got the idea, right? So same thing basically folks, like nothing, if you want to reduce the code you can do it, it's up to you folks. Okay, if you want to do it then it's fine, right? It's up to you. If you want to reduce this as well, like retrieve the total pay benefits of Joseph recall, what you can do is once again, including benefits you will get it. Total benefits is the same thing actually, right? Including total pay benefits we will get. Here you can just write it print, right? If we are retrieving particular columns, right? So we will get the idea. Okay, got it. So this is a thing basically folks, right? So total pay benefits you will be getting. So if you want to sort, right, if you want to sort the total pay benefits, if you want to check that, so this is the thing. So what we are taking, we are sorting, applying the sorting in a descending order, then we are retrieving the first record who is having the highest paid person. See, as per the record, Nathan Ford is the highest paid. Okay, now what is the name of a lowest paid, right? So by ascending means low to bigger, right? So this is the thing we are doing here basically here, right? Ascending equal to true, and we are retrieving that. So we got the here actually the employee name, what is the job title, log cabin ranch, something, everything we got it here. Then another problem here is we want a average mean base pay of all employees per year, 2011 to 2014, right? So here in this particular case, like 2011 and 2014, one keep an idea folks. So understand the problem here, they are telling that we want the average base pay of all employees, right? So what we have to do, we have to do here both the condition we have to check, 2011 and 2014, it is based on the on what column, year column, right? So this is a particular thing. So what you will be going to do, you will be retrieving that particular year, you will be going to check the condition, this and this, if it is there, then we have to check the group by, like we have to group that particular thing, right? We have to group the employees based upon the year and the base pay, right? We have to group by them. First we have to check the condition, then we have to check the average base pay per year, right? So this is like after that we have to calculate the average, right? So this is a thing. So you will get the 2011 what is the base pay per year, 2012 what was the base pay per year, and what was it 2013 what was the base pay per year, right? So this is about like what are the possibilities which we have done now. Okay, in the next video we will be going to understand like what are the unique job titles, certain related to the questions we will be addressing in the next video, folks.